Okay, so now what we want to do is what we're going to do is we're going to find an array of numbers and we're going to fill in the numbers that are missing. So for example, let's do this, right? We'll have this number. We'll have this array. Let's um present numbers. Present numbers equal 1, 3, 18, 20. Okay. Now, the what we're going to do is we're going to write a function that's going to return an array of all the missing numbers between 1 and 20. So we already have 3 and 18, right? Let's make this simpler, okay? 10, 12, okay? So let's see all the missing numbers. So basically, we should return 1, we should return 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Now, how do we go about that? What's the logic? I'm going to tell you the logic. You have this array, you're gonna get the count, right? No, you're not even get the count. You're gonna have an array, and you're gonna create another loop where 1 is the starting point and 12 is where it ends. And this is gonna be the endpoints for your for loop, right? Then you create another array, right? And it will be basically 12, right? And then you use that array and you do use contains method of this array and see what number in the array with all the numbers don't exist in this. If it doesn't exist, then you add it to another array, you append it to an empty array and return that array. That should have all of the numbers. So let's do this. Okay, I'm going to create an extension on, I think you guessed it, with what I'm going to create extension on? Collection, right? Collection where iterator, what is going on? Iterator where iterator dot element collection. Oh sheesh. Where iterator dot element equals integer. Okay. Because why we're dealing with integers in these arrays, right? We're dealing with a collection of type string, then we would say we're iterator dot element equals string. Okay. So let's see, fetch missing numbers. Okay. Func fetch missing numbers. Okay. And this is an array of integer. Or we can say iterate. No, we're not gonna say iterate element. Forget that. Just integer. Okay. Um. So I know personally, uh, I want, you know, an array to have a greater number than 2 because something, I don't care. I don't care if it's greater than number 2 or not. I don't I can care less. Right. So this is create an output array. Output array equals an empty array of integer. I do not understand why that B came there. Right. And then var comp array is also an array. Why is this doing this? An array of integer. Right. And now I got to sort this array. I do. Let's sorted, not corded, sorted array equals self dot sorted. Okay. And we're gonna have start and end, right? Let start equal stop sorted the first, right? Let end equal sorted. Okay, and I wonder if there's a last. Is there a last? Sorted dot. No, there isn't a last, but there's a way. Sorted array dot count -1. So that's how you get the last element in the array. And then we're gonna say for I, oh God, for I in start end comp array dot append I. Okay. So basically, I'm creating, this is where I create the array from beginning to end. So I create an array that's like, instead of 1 to 12, right? 1, 3, 10, 12, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then I'm going to compare it to this one. What is missing? And then append it. What in the complete array is missing in this one? And append that to output array. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to say for item in comp array, right? Comp array, right? If not, sorted array dot contains item Jesus Christ. Output array dot append dot item. Okay, and then I'm going to return what is this? What is this? CV. Jesus Christ, return output array, right? No, output array. All right, so now we have this. This should be done, right? Ugh. Present numbers, right? Okay, we're gonna say, let's say let missing numbers equal present numbers dot fetch missing numbers. And we'll say missing numbers And so these are the present numbers, and these 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Okay. So again, you think about the our logic and how we go about it. What I want you to do is to rewatch this video, think about it, and yeah, see where you can apply it. On to the next.